Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the macOS Ventura Clock app on your Mac. You will learn how to add multiple zone clocks or international clocks, set an alarm to make sure you will wake up on time, and use a stopwatch or a timer when you need to measure time. Let's get started. The Clock app is located in your Applications folder. To launch it, click on the Spotlight search icon in the menu bar. Type clock into the search box and either press Enter or Return key on your keyboard. The Clock application window has 4 tabs: Word clock, alarm, stopwatch, and timer. I'll start with the word clock. It offers a convenient way to have multiple zone clocks on your Mac. It benefits those contacting family members, friends, co-workers, clients, or online students worldwide. To add a clock, click on the plus icon in the top right corner. In the search box, type the city's name you are searching for. For example, Paris. Then click on the name to see the clock for Paris. To get another clock, click the plus icon again and type the name of a city or town. For example, Stockholm. Click on the name to add the clock to the list. You can add more clocks if you want to. A clock with a dark face represents nighttime, and the one with a white face represents daytime. If you prefer the clock for Stockholm to be the first on the list, drag it to the left. You can arrange them to your liking by clicking and dragging them. To remove a clock, move your mouse pointer over the clock interface and click on the X in the top left corner. To set an alarm clock, click on the Alarm tab. Next, click on the plus icon to see its settings. If you want to wake up at 6:30 the next day, click on Hours and enter 6. Next, click on Minutes and enter 30. If you want to wake up at the same time from Monday to Friday, then you need to select the days you want the alarm to go off. Next, type in a name for your alarm, for example, your company's name, AI Tech. To switch to another sound you want to hear when the alarm goes off, click on the drop-down menu and select the desired sound for your alarm. The option Snooze has already been selected. Uncheck the box if you don't need it. And click Save. If you decide to remove the alarm, move your mouse pointer over its interface and click on the X. By clicking on the toggle button, you can disable it and turn it on again when you need it. If you need to change your alarm settings, click on it. If you don't have to wake up at the same time from Monday to Friday, you can add a second alarm by clicking on the plus icon. Let's say you want to wake up at 6:30 on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. On the first alarm, select your days, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and click Save. Next, click on the plus icon to get a second alarm. You want to wake up at 7 on Thursday and Friday. Enter 7 and select Thursday and Friday. Then choose a name for your alarm, for example, training. Switch to a different sound if you want. And click Save. To remove it, click on the X. The third tab is the stopwatch. Click on it when you need to measure the time for a task, activity, or event. To start the stopwatch, click on the green button. To stop it, click on the Stop button. To reset it, click on the Reset button. If you want to record individual laps or events, click Start. Next, click Lap. Then click Stop. Finally, click Reset to clear the display or reset it to 0. If you need a timer while cooking or preparing something, click on the Timer tab. To set the timer, enter your hours, minutes, or seconds. For example, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Next, select the sound you want to hear from the drop-down menu. Then click Start and the timer will start to count down. A notification will appear on your Mac desktop when the timer reaches 0. To show you an example, I'll enter 10 seconds and press Start. After 10 seconds, you will see a notification in the top right corner of your desktop. Click on Options and select either Stop or Repeat. To clear hours, minutes, and seconds to 0. Select them with your mouse pointer and press delete on your keyboard. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you learned something new from it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to receive notifications of upcoming tutorials. Your support will encourage me to make more videos for you. Thank you for watching.